under the Affordable Care Act or face what could be a substantial penalty this year.
That's right. News 4's Terry Henry joined us now with some advice from an expert on this. And Terry, the penalty started out at a minimum of $95, but it's much higher this year.
Oh, yes, it is, Joe and Shelby. We spoke with an expert who shares that this year the minimum rises to $695. Insurance broker Matt Law shares some tips and advice in this On Your Side report.
If you miss that deadline to sign up for health care, you'll feel the penalty pinch when you file your income tax return this year. We spoke with Matt Law, who's a broker with Nevada Health Benefits. He says that's not the only pain some might feel trying to buy health insurance online and by yourself.
Why does that make you laugh?
Insurance is just so complex. I wake up, I read the news every day. I have to have daily meetings with the other brokers in my office just to keep up.
We found a slew of bogus websites not authorized by Nevada's health exchange to sell health insurance in Nevada. And that's not the only challenge we discovered.
Trying to figure out what plans and prices are actually real online.
He says right now in Nevada there's only one website where you can purchase health care online, and that's the federal website healthcare.gov. But that too can present its own set of challenges.
I've heard a lot of misinformation from healthcare.gov.
Law says many find they can't speak to one person, and every time they call back to the federal site, they get a different person who may offer contradictory information, confusing paperwork, or rejections of applications without explanation.
Trying to figure out why one department said one thing is impossible if the call center can't email them, which the call center has very limited functionality of contacting these other departments that process the actual paperwork.
That's why brokers like Law are offered free of charge to customers.
I can help them navigate all of the markets and basically assess what's best for them.
He says the most common question he receives is really not that surprising.
Every single day when someone steps in my office, I always hear my premium's too high, my benefits are too low.
Now, he says that's his job to figure that out for you as the customer. Now, you might find this surprising, but Law says health insurance really isn't about access to health care, but providing a safety net. He says the #1 reason for bankruptcy in this country is medical bills. Now, if you want to find a licensed, reputable broker to help you meet that deadline that's coming up, just visit Nevada's Silver State Exchange or our website at mynews4.com. Shelby?